In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off Google Safe Search on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up a web browser you prefer to use. I'm gonna open up Safari. And then just head over to google.com and make sure you are signed into your Google account. Once it is done, tap right over here at your Google account's profile picture. That will show you this menu, and that's where we can easily find Safe Search. If we get into it, it will show us three options. By default, blur option is selected. We can switch it to filter. However, if you would like to turn Google Safe Search off, just hit right here where it says off to turn off Google Safe Search. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.